Okay, so the timing of this class, like I said, it goes quickly. I've kind of mapped this out more for myself, but I'll share this with you guys as well. Um, the my color coding here, the greens are for the homeworks, and I use homework loosely. I mean, like this is the case study, the homework, the lesson, the quiz. It's all of that information. Okay, so this week it's a little different because we didn't get to start on Sunday. It was a holiday, so everything's going to open today. Okay, of course, on Tuesday. So week one homework is going to open. It will be due on Friday, okay, at 8 p.m. The Normally the homeworks will open on Sunday and be due on Friday. And then Unit 3 is going to open on Sunday and be due on Friday. Week 4 is going to be a little different because we got to shorten things to fit in a final exam. And now the test, like I said, the tests are going to open on Tuesdays. They're not going to be due until Sunday. Okay. So I encourage you to spend most of the majority of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, working on the chapter information, the homeworks. Okay. So the lesson, case studies, quizzes, homeworks, all that stuff. Spend most of the week working on those to have them due on Friday, and then focus on the test Saturday and Sunday. Okay. The exams. You could do the exams earlier, but you won't get any graded information back on the quizzes and homeworks until after Friday. Okay, so the homeworks will grade instantly because they have that check answer button. But the case studies and the quizzes, if there's anything that needs to show your work type stuff, I have to grade those. So I will be grading those Friday nights, maybe even into Saturday, depends on how things are going. I'm hoping I grade those as soon as people turn them in, and it doesn't show them to you until after the due date. Okay, so I want you to be able to look back at that information before you take the exam. So that way you can see what you're missing and why you're missing it, if that makes sense to you. So yes, the exams are open Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, but I'd encourage you to wait until you see all that homework graded and quizzes graded before you do the exams. But you know your schedule better than I do, okay? I'm just trying to allow you to have a good number of days to do this work. But just know that the quizzes and the case studies, you won't be able to see what kind of grade you're getting from that until after Friday, 8 p.m. And I have time to grade them. So if you're one that wants them done Friday by midnight, you need to be turning them in Wednesday and Thursday, okay, so that I can have time to grade those and make them visible to you as soon as possible Friday after 8 p.m. The enrichments are not for everybody. Those of you, it depends on where you scored on your ACT, your AccuPlacer test. Those of you that scored a little lower will need the enrichment class, and it's a whole completely separate Moodle class that's got assignments due, and they're going to be due on Saturdays. Okay, so like I said, if you know whether you're in enrichment or not, if you have questions about it, you can send me an email. But just keep in mind that those enrichment assignments are going to be due on Saturday. So you can kind of do them along with your Math for Healthcare assignments along, just same day type thing. When you start working on Chapter 3, you can do the enrichment Chapter 3. When you do Chapter 4, you can do enrichment Chapter 4. They go hand in hand, okay? These enrichment assignments are just the basics to help the Math for Healthcare make more sense, okay? So they do go hand in hand. I told you guys that, that last week is going to be a little squished. Okay. So week 4 homework is going to open on Sunday like normal. It's going to be due on Thursday instead of Friday. And then our test 4 is going to open on Tuesday like normal, but it's going to be due on Saturday night so that we can have time to do the final by Sunday night. Okay. And I'll remind you of that as we get closer, but just know that it is going to go a little quicker in that last week.